You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food.
Thanks for stopping by the mini kitchen today. Exciting day because we are going to make macaroon and cheese.
You mean macaroni and cheese.
Ah, yes. I know you've made macaroon cookies before, but today it is macaroni and cheese.
Yep.
Before we get started, I was wondering who's going to grate the cheese, and then I saw your nails.
Well, I was thinking you would do it.
Yeah, we don't want to upset
ruin
the
them.
beautiful nails. All right, so when we come back, I will be grating the cheese.
All right. All right, I'm going to start with the cheese sauce now.
And while you're doing that, I think our water right here is boiling really nice. So we'll get our shells going. Ooh, that tells you it's hot, huh? Mm-hmm. All right, while you do that, I'm gonna change our camera angle and we'll keep checking back in, okay?
All right. They're done. Alright, macaroni looks good. Let's head over to the tasting table. We've made it to the tasting table.
Ooh,
It
look
looks
at that.
good.
Nice and cheesy.
Here you go, I'll serve you first, Dad.
I know some people like to put ketchup on their macaroni and cheese. Do you?
No, I'm not a fan of that.
How about bacon bits?
Yes, I can do that.
I wonder what everybody out there puts on their macaroni and cheese. Looks creamy.
It is. Alright.
Looks like you
ready
got
to
maybe
try?
a little
You
bit
want
more
me to
than
give you
I
some
did.
more?
Yeah, there. Thanks. Just a little bit more. Thank you. Very kind of you.
Alright. Let's give it a taste.
Yeah. I keep thinking of Chester Cheetah or Cheetos.
Wow.
And easy being cheesy.
That's really tasty.
It is. And the cheese just sticks to it and stretches.
Yeah, we use sharp cheddar, so I like that flavor.
Like all of our recipes, we'll put that in the description, what we used and how much.
Mm-hmm.
So you can duplicate these mini dishes at home.
Yes, I do think this is better than the box kind.
Much better. Great job, Audrey.
Thank you, you too. And until we see you next time,
Happy eating! If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.